Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and be very careful in what you click on the web. We always say that it is important to stay safe and be careful of everything when you go surfing the web. And one example of this is that apparently a lot of people are using a piece of software that is actually malware disguised as an AI image modifier. So it shows up as this is an example of one of the ads on the X platform, where it tells you, well, experience AI video magic at your fingertips and so on. And it tells you that you have, free content, daily free content. It says here, enjoy 25 free creations daily and so on, with an example of what it could look like and so on. But unfortunately, this is a malware. So it's called Edit Pro, and once you click on the ad, which is not just on X, by the way, it is also on many other platforms. What it does is that it will send you to a web page that looks like this to download. And what's interesting about this web page is that if you're on a Mac or on a PC, well, they have a malware version for both, which means that once you click Get Now and execute what is downloaded and what looks like a AI image modification tool, it actually is malware. It will take control of your PC, steal personal information, passwords, login credentials for websites, and so on. So be very careful. This is the kind of scam that goes a long way. There's a lot of different other tools or pretend tools that are up there that are the same. Be very, very careful. And as you see today, even Mac users are not safe. It's, tools that could be infecting both platforms, Mac OS and Windows. So be careful and tell everybody not to click and download everything they see on the internet. It is not a good idea. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.